civil police is, I call it police because you are also a police person without uniform. We are civilian with uniform, you are police personnel without uniform. That is the only difference between police and a civil personnel. So I request all of you also to be a part and eyes and ear of us. Wherever you see a traffic violation, see in Goa fatalities and accidents are quite high. Even compared to national average, it is high. So this is my request to all of you that whenever you see a traffic violation, many of our people, many of our traffic wardens are doing it, and they are doing it quite good, and we are proud of them. They are a part of our family in traffic police. Whenever you see a traffic violation, please send it to us with a video and photo with its date, time and place of offense. Send it to sptrafficgoa@gmail.com or Goa Traffic Police Facebook page. We are coming with a WhatsApp number also that we are going to make it easier in Traffic Sentinel scheme, where anyone can record a video and can record a photo and send it to WhatsApp that this fellow is violating traffic rules. If you are following traffic rules and someone else is violating, it is not only endangering that other fellow's his life but also the life of yours. So we request all of you to send us the traffic violation with date, time and place of offense. And we also request you that please enroll yourself in traffic warden scheme, because in that you will be working with us. Many times I listen to complaints that traffic police is not doing this, traffic police is not doing that. I appreciate it. Traffic police should do, but we have a constant of force also, a strength also. So we request you also to be a part of us. Be a traffic warden with us, make Goa safer on the road, and take a place that I will follow all the traffic violation, and whoever is not following it, I will report it to the concerned authorities.
So are there any special